Hello future CAs, this is an open challenge and I don't simply make open challenges. Every student watching this, if you can take benefit of what I'm going to explain in this video, I can guarantee you a minimum 60 plus and you will reverse guarantee to me saying, sir, I will easily get 60 plus. I interacted with so many students who couldn't clear, who got 30s, 40s and 50s. And I've realized the problem, and that's why I created something and I'm giving you this challenge, guys. For you to get 60 plus, if you're already getting a 30s or 40s, conceptually you are overall okay. But the problem is, whichever class you watched, including my previous classes or whichever fast track or marathon, whatever you watched, guys, that conceptual knowledge is just the surface level knowledge enough for you to solve the ICAA study mat problems. That's it. Including my previous classes, I used to solve only ICAA study mat problems. That's what everybody does. They will tell you fast track enough to solve ICAA study mat, and the concept is just surface level, guys. Now look at what we have done. I'm giving you an open challenge. Go watch any class of your choice and then come and solve the material that we have, and you're going to fall in love with this material, guys. I am finally, for the first time ever, with a dream of 3 to 4 years, launching library of adjustments. Those who know me will know how important this library of adjustment is. Let me explain. This material is freely available, guys. It's just a black and white material. Sir, we want color, sir. The color is in the class. The color is in the content, guys. It's not about what you present in color. It's about the content that matters. Look at this. Every single word over here, I have only typed it, guys. Let me explain what this is for you to understand, and then you will appreciate, because this is freely available, and then you can also use it, guys. Now, for example, let's take a particular standard. I will show you demo with AS9. If I take AS9 and look at the questions of AS9 that I'm giving over here, look at the questions. These are not just ICAA study mat questions, okay? This includes ICAA study mat, past RTP, past MTP, other author books, many other publishers. I have taken all the books, I purchased them and kept in my house, and I am not giving you 30-40 questions per AS. The problem when you buy these question banks or scanners is one topic will have 25 questions and you will be like, yo, how will I solve all of this? Look at this. What I have done for questions in AS9, whoever is going to set the question paper, let it be anybody, let it be any god, okay, whoever is going to set the question paper, maximum they will test you what all concepts. Revenue, they will test you a concept about revenue, its general conditions, when do you account. I'm taking an easy standard so you understand this better. I will show you notes of all chapters. In specific conditions, they will test the sale of goods, rendering of service. In service, you have single or multiple acts, or used by others of enterprise resources, dividend, interest or royalty, or where seller has delayed delivery because of buyer's request, and few other special cases. This only is in the syllabus of AS9, guys. Beyond this, you can't get any other question, correct? Now come to library of adjustments. Sir, what is this library of adjustments? In every concept that is there in each AS, I have picked the best question to cover that entire concept. Look at this. First two questions relating to uncertainty in ultimate collection and uncertainty in amount. The source I have given, latest addition to ICAA study mat. Let's go down. Let me show you one question. Look at this question. Star Sports obtained advertisement in IPL for one particular amount. This is about Star Sports IPL broadcasting service question, guys. It is very much part of CA syllabus because I have picked it from CA syllabus resources only. I will not tell you the source because then again my hard work will go away. Where is the question from? It is my research. So this question talks about service business. Then the previous question, look at this. Question 3, I have given you 6 different cases, and each case is consignment, agency, risk and rewards. All that is covered over here. November 2022, old syllabus RTP. Then go down. This latest new syllabus question, Mission 1 and Mission 2, which talks about both sale of goods and rendering of services. And then come down another own question of mine. Look at this, for interest, dividend and royalty, every student's favorite. I have created an OYO rooms question covering subject in OYO rooms for you guys. Okay, and then a Kazana jewelry business question based on returns. And then this library of adjustments, what it does, every concept in the standard is covered over here. And then I have introducing something called 0 marks zone. Sir, can you repeat, sir? Yes, 0 marks zone. I am calling it red flags to consider, not in your life, red flags to consider in AS9. In every topic, I will be giving some important key points, mistakes that students do very commonly will be highlighted. For example, barter, how do you account for revenue? Let me show you this material for some other topic. I have curated this. You solve the questions over here and show me, guys, whichever material you're taking. Take AS29. Look at this challenge question. Look at this question. You try to solve this, guys. Not easy. So is this a very difficult question? Are you trying to scare us? No. This is from previous paper of CA exams, July 2021. That means I am not simply bringing accumulation of questions. I am bringing a mix of basic, advanced question to cover the entire topic, If you take AS29 also, I have kept only around 7 questions, guys. Even ICA study mat doesn't have 7 questions, and these 7 questions are from sources which covers all concepts. Look at this provision, then contingent asset, everything is covered. And in AS29 we have this red zone also, guys, red flag and 0 mark zones. Okay, similarly now AS12, this I have already solved in the class. Look how we have solved the questions in AS12. I will be uploading demo of AS12 and AS9. You watch that, guys. Similarly for buyback, look at this. For those who know buyback will know, in buyback the difficult adjustments are the ESOP adjustment and own debentures. I will discuss that adjustment in buyback. Look at this below for buyback. I have one question. What are the notable adjustments in all sums combined? All the 6 adjustments and their treatment will be first explained in the workout. And then down I have a mega sum. Look at this question, guys. In this mega sum, which is previous year paper December 21, 10 mark question, all adjustments of buyback will be discussed in one question. And we also have other questions for applying the 3 tests of buyback. That means in buyback, all you have to practice is 6 questions, and any question that comes beyond this, you will be able to answer in the exam. And buyback also, we have red flags. Can you see the 9 common mistakes students are doing, guys? I will challenge you, go take this material from our website in free resources under advanced accounting. I have put it. Try to solve these questions. It's a combination of crazy good and bad questions that you have. And while I teach these questions itself, I will teach the concepts in reverse, guys. I will be putting the demo of AS9 and AS12 and few other topics. You watch and then you see how this is going to help you in your exams and workout. And if anybody wants that, sir, I want for all the chapters, it's very simple, guys. What I'm doing is basically giving you entire advanced accounting, workout advanced accounting along with concepts in just 60 hours. For each AS we will be spending around 1 to 2 hours, and other topics put together 30 hours. So basically this is a library of adjustment. Let's say your entire CA inter advanced accounting syllabus, there might be 350 plus unique adjustments and problems. All that will be covered here with concepts. And if you want the whole class, watch the demo, watch all other classes, get the basic concept, then you come here once you realize how extreme concepts we're going to discuss here in in-depth concepts. And now that exams are nearby, we are giving it at just rupees 2000 for the entire access of both. Regular classes also will be given. If you want, you can refer to detailed concepts, and this workout also access will be given. So you get full access to advanced accounting over here, guys. So that is about it. Sir, is this there only for one subject? No, we have similar workout batches for all the 6 subjects, guys, group 1, group 2. It's available on the website. We call it WOW subscription and also individual subscription, guys. And one thing, whatever class you buy from us, you will get full access of that subject, regular and workout, guys. So all I want you to do now is go download these materials, look at the questions, and then just get blown away, because you will not be able to solve when you will come back here. And these are ICAI questions. I am not trying to get some difficult questions to scare you. ICAI questions with proper conceptual understanding you will be able to solve, guys. So let me know in the comments what else you need, guys. That's about it. Always here, and take the challenge. Let me know in the comments if you're able to solve at least for one AS the entire handout. Thank you.